Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to make the Christmas salad. Very near our Christmas coming. Let's see how to make the Christmas salad. First we will pick the mixed leaves. One piece orange. We remove the skin. Feta seeds. Pomegranate seed, strawberry, walnuts, honey mustard dressing. Now we are start our salad. First we will put in the plate. Then we put the orange. Strawberry, feta seeds, pomegranate seed, and finally our walnuts. Then in the top we put the honey mustard dressing. On the side we put the lololos and one piece strawberry slice for garnishing. Yes, we have put the now dressing. Almost done our salad. And thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.